Hello and welcome to English with Ruddy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use may, might, can and could to talk about possibilities. I hope you find this video useful and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Possibility comes from the word possible. If something is possible, it means there is a chance that it can be done or it can happen. May and might. We can use may and might to talk about present and future possibilities. For example, I may come tomorrow. I might be late for the meeting. I may come tomorrow means there is less chance that I will come tomorrow, maybe a 50% chance. I might be late for the meeting means that there is a lesser chance that I will come late for the meeting. Maybe a 30% chance. Now let's look at how to use can. The modal verb can is also used to talk about present and future possibilities. For example, this laptop can be repaired, which means that it is possible to repair this laptop. Sometimes she can be difficult to deal with. It means that sometimes it is possible that she behaves rudely. Now you must be wondering, how do we use could? Could can be used for past possibilities. For example, he could be in the library. In this sentence, I can also use might instead of could. In those days, you could be shot if you are caught stealing. It means that in the past, you would most likely be shot if you were caught stealing. Aliens could have visited Earth thousands of years ago. It means that there is a possibility that thousands of years ago, aliens visited Earth. To conclude, may, might, can and could are used for factual possibilities, habitual statement of possibilities, hypothetical possibilities, and past possibilities. Once again, I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.